in this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a waitlist for your new venture, whether it's a freelance business, online course. In this case, I'm launching a new membership / digital product and community. And as part of that, I want to build a waitlist. So the domain name is called affiliatestartupcommunity.com. And I'm going to show you how to set up the waitlist from A to Z. So I am hovering over websites and clicking on sales funnels. Then you will see all my funnels. Now I'm going to click on create. I'm going to call this Affiliate Startup Community FML, which stands for Founding Member Launch. Then I'm going to choose the domain name. I'm going to click on custom and I'll make it US currency. And I'm going to click on save. Now I'm going to click into it. You will see there's no pages. So I'm going to click on add step. I'm going to label this waitlist Affiliate Startup Community. I'm going to click here, click on squeeze page, click on save. And then I'm just going to put any one of these pages. It doesn't really matter. I'm literally just going to pick any random squeeze page and I'm going to delete everything that's on it. So you want to hover over the page and you look at the section. So when you see the section, you can see this trash bin icon and you're just going to click here. And then you will see the editor system.io says, are you sure you want to delete this item? Now, you're not going to see it because I'm actually sharing that part. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to click OK and it will delete. And I'm just going to repeat this process with every single one of these sections. It's a little bit tedious, a little bit annoying, but in order to get a blank template, it's the fastest way to do it. Then I'm going to go to blocks because I've already created a template for different waitlist pages and stuff like that. By the way, if you want to download the template I'm about to use, go to aranbukai.com/SIO. I'm going to click on my blocks. I'm going to search for the word waitlist. And here is the waitlist that I have here. So I'm going to use this thing right here. Now, you will notice that the font here is Carla. Now, my font is actually Poppins, so I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to change this to Poppins. I'm going to scroll down here to the heading. And again, I'm going to choose Poppins. In this case, I'm going to make it Poppins bold because I want all my headlines to be bold. The text color that I want it to be is black. The color of the links, I want it to be blue. The text color, I want it to be black. And now it will automatically update everything. Now, I already have my affiliate marketing podcast playlist here, which is great. I want it linked that way anyway. And I'm going to say, hey, I want to earn as high as 80% commission on my products. .com Tricks affiliate program. So I'm going to say, the affiliate startup community is about to launch and you will get free access to brand new digital products to help you launch your affiliate journey. Join the waitlist to hear when it goes live and learn about the possibility of making as much as 80% commissions on great products you can promote. Okay, name, email, I actually don't care about their name in this case, just to make the conversion easier. The more information you ask, the less people subscribe, so I just keep it really simple. Affiliate marketing podcast, okay, that's good. And then I'm going to label this like so, and I'm going to highlight this, make this orange, make this bold. Okay, that's good. I'll make this a little bit smaller, it doesn't have to be so big, 350. I'm gonna hover this, make this central, I'm going to actually remove this completely, this row. This is another way you can delete. You can actually hover and click here. And now I'm going to go to blocks, my blocks, footer, paste this in like so. Make sure this is correct. Have a look at mobile and it's open. Yeah, that's all good. Now let's look on the mobile on the whole thing, how it looks. Yep, that all looks good. So now what I'm going to do is when I click on this button, I'm going to say yes, submit form, but I want to go to the next page. Now I'm also going to add an exit pop-up. I'm going to click on add pop-up. I'm going to delete everything that's here. I'm going to go back to blocks, my blocks. I'm going to search for the word exit, paste this here. I'm going to say don't leave handed. And I'm going to say on this button, click here to be the first, I'll add a little bit more compelling text. Okay, something like that. I'm going to click on form input. I'm going to make the margins here 20 and at the bottom to the right side like so, like that. Okay, it's good. Now I'm going to make the background color a little bit more like that. That's a little bit extreme. Let's do something like that. Okay, that's good. I do it a bit green because, yeah, okay, that's good. I like that. All right. That's good. Now on the exit pop-up, I'm going to make it so they can see the close button. It's not going to open automatically. It will only open on exit pop-up. Click on on save. Okay, so now that's done. I'm going to click on refresh. Now I'm going to exit this page, but before I do that, I'm just going to check the SEO settings. So affiliate startup community, affiliate startup community is there to help beginners start on their affiliate journey without the high ticket prices or coaching programs and no marketing hype. Author, okay. I need to create an image still, so I will need to do that. But for now, that's good enough. Okay, save. Now, you will notice that the domain name right now has nothing in it. So in order to fix it, I'm going to now delete this thing right here, refresh, click here, and I'm going to click on refresh, and now here it is. And you can see that the pop-up comes up when I try to exit, so that's good. Now, the only issue is I don't have a thank you page, so I'm going to add a thank you page. So the way to do that, you click on type, opt-in thank you, click on save. I'm just going to click anything, it doesn't really matter. Say thanks, like so. I'm going to click on edit page, delete everything that's here. Text headline. Okay, I'm going to click on the section, make this small, like so. I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to change the font again to Poppins. Change the color of links to this blue. Change this to 20. Make this 20. Make this number 2. Make this 4. Add a little confetti. Change the color to orange. Add a video. The video is going to be my free course on affiliate marketing. Hey, it's around here. I'm going to paste it here, make the controls on, click on save changes, and then I am going to put the link to the founding member launch as well, which is my pre-sale. Click on blocks, search for button. I already have the button right here. I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to click on open URL, open in a new window. I'm going to say learn more about the affiliate startup community. Link, so it will open in a new tab like so. And I'm going to make the call to action a little bit clearer. Click here to learn. Okay, that's good. The button right above it as well, so it's a little bit more in your face. So I want to make sure they click. And then I'm going to copy the URL that it's going to be part of. Click here. On this one, I'm going to make it so there's a little bit more margins in the bottom, like so. Okay, this one we'll call this little gift. Perfect. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to look at mobile, see what it looks like on mobile. Thanks from the waitlist. That's good. Make this a little bit smaller. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And that's it, like so. That's done. Now I'm going to change the settings as well, so it doesn't say opt-in or something. Just going to say thanks. Hide from search engines. Change it to lead. Click here. And there's one last thing I do want to do, which is to add a little confetti. So to add a confetti, you go to confettipage.com. You click on add confetti to your page. You're going to paste the URL you want to put it on. It doesn't matter if you put the full URL or just the domain name. The domain name is all you need. You will then be able to paste this particular code on any one of the pages on that particular domain name. So it doesn't really matter which one you pick. Click on copy code. Now that I'm on the thank you page again, I can basically scroll down on the left, click on raw HTML, paste it in like so, click into it, click on edit code, delete what's here, paste the confetti code that I received from the website, click on save changes. And now when I click on the preview, you're going to see that it's going to automatically populate with the confetti As soon as somebody joins, it's going to look really cool. Somebody's going to read this, and then when they can watch the video, or they can click to open up the thing that I want to sell. So that's going to be something totally different. If you want to check it out, anything about this, you can go to, of course, affiliatestartupcommunity.com. I need to also make sure the automations are all done correctly. So the way we're going to do that is you can see that we've got the squeeze page, we've got the opt-in page, that's all good. But when you click on the squeeze page, you need to have certain automation rules. The way it's going to work, I'm going to hover over the contacts. I'm going to open up tags in a new tab. Now I'm going to search for the word waitlist to see in case I already created, because I do have a lot of waitlists and it doesn't look like I have affiliate startup community waitlist. So I'm going to click on create. I'm going to do it like this, waitlist, affiliate startup community. And now I'm going to click on save. Now I'm going to go back to the funnel. I'm going to click on add rule, trigger, funnel step form subscribed, action, add a tag. And when I choose a tag, because I've got so many tags, I'm just going to search for the word waitlist. Here it is, affiliate startup community. Click on save rule. And now when somebody subscribes, they're going to receive that. Now, I personally like to also send emails as soon as somebody signs up. So I'm going to click here, click on send email, and I'm going to click on create new message. I'm going to say affiliate startup community waitlist. And I'm going to say ASC because I want to give like a little initial. Hey there, thanks so much for joining the waitlist of the affiliate startup community, or ASC for short. I like to label my email's subject line so people know the topic or purpose of the email right away. And so any emails relating to this community are going to be marked with ASC on the subject line. Appreciate your interest and would love for you to check out 2 resources right away. Number 1, my vision for this community and venture to help affiliate marketers earn a side income. Click here to learn more. 2, start educating people for free on the topic of affiliate marketing. Click here for the free course and additional content on this topic. If you can do me a small favor and just hit the reply button with received so I know you got this. Looking forward to hearing from you. Okay, I'm going to make this bigger, 20, and I'm going to grab the links, of course. So link number 1 is going to be this one. Link number 2 is going to be this one. Okay, that's all good. And then I'm going to do one other thing actually. Because this is obviously very specific to affiliate marketing. And I'm going to click here and choose contact affiliate ID. And now I'm going to click on this. And now it's going to be their affiliate link. I'm going to add this, scroll down, save, done. Save rule. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test everything, and we're going to do that on Incognito window. So before testing, I want you to pay attention to the fact that we got a squeeze page, we got a thank you page. In the squeeze page, we have the automation rules of the funnel step subscribe, and we got a tag, and we got an email. So that's what should happen. Now, if you look at leads, you will notice there's no leads because we actually haven't promoted this, we haven't shown it to anybody. And now that I'm going to copy and paste the link on Incognito, I'm going to do a test. So to do that, I'm going to hover over here. I'm going to click on this link, and it's going to say copy to clipboard. If I click multiple times, you'll see it will just keep on popping up. You just click one time, and now in order to open Incognito window, you're going to click on the top right, and you're going to click on new private window. Now I'm in a private window. I'm going to paste in the URL that I copied, which is the waitlist page, and you will see it will pop up just the way it's supposed to be. Now I'm going to enter an email address, and this is a test email address that I have. I'm going to click join the affiliate program. Now this is a mistake. I actually got to fix that. It shouldn't say join the affiliate program. It should say join the waitlist. And you can see the confetti is popping up. There is the confetti branding. There is the video. The text is all good. When they click here, it will open in a new tab, which is what I want to have happen as well. And they could go through this particular booklet where I explain the entire vision of this particular membership. So now you are going to see that the waitlist says squeeze page, and I'm hopping over leads. Now you'll see there's still no leads. That's because I need to refresh the page. So I'm going to hover over to the left, click on refresh, and now I'm going to go to leads again, and you will see here is the email address, funnelecducation@gmail.com. So that's all good. Now you will notice that also if I click on that, you're going to see that the tag was added as well. You can see I've used this particular email just for a few things, but here is the correct tag, just the way it's supposed to be. Now if you keep scrolling down also, you will notice that this particular contact was sent the email, ASC, Affiliate Startup Community, Waitlist. So that's been sent. You will see that this envelope is closed. Now, when an email is opened, you're going to see that this envelope will change. And when a link is clicked inside the email, there's going to be a little icon here with a finger. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you're clicking the email. First of all, you are going to see the email like so, straight to your inbox, ASC Affiliate Startup Community Waitlist. Now, if you want to get really fancy and professional, what I recommend you also do is you actually click on primary and you're going to do a little picture of this like so. And we're going to use this picture inside the thank you page. So we'll take a screenshot and I'll show you what it will look like in a moment. And now that that's done, I'm going to click on the email. So now I clicked it. Now I'm going to refresh this particular contact and you will see that this envelope is going to change. Refresh. And now you will see that this envelope is now open. That means that somebody opened the email. Now I'm going to go back to the email and you see the email right here. And now it doesn't really matter which one I click, but when I click on this or I click on this, doesn't really matter. I'm now going to go back inside the contact. You can see again, this is open envelope, but there is no icon that somebody clicked. So I'm going to refresh the page and then you're going to see that there is this icon right here, which means a link in the email has been clicked. So that's about it. That's how you set up a complete waitlist from A to Z in order to launch your new membership or digital product or coaching program and do it within System.io from A to Z. Again, if you want the template, go to eranbukai.com/SIO and you'll be able to download it for free. In the next video, I'm going to show you a unique use case so that if you already have an email list and you want people on your existing email list to join the waitlist, but do it with just one click from your email newsletter. They don't have to opt in. They click one link and all the automations is done and they're added to the waitlist. That's going to be covered in the next video. So stay tuned for that.